These sweet treats are one of my favorites. They're somewhere in between a granola bar and a cookie, and you won't be able to eat just one. Pecan oat dark chocolate chunk cookies. So delicious. Let's get started. I have 2 cups of pecans. These aren't toasted because I want them a little bit more sweet. Transfer them to a food processor. Now here's the secret. We're basically making pecan flour, but we don't want pecan butter. So just pulse these until it's finely ground, but don't let it get away from you. Perfect, this looks great. So this is the pecan flour. This is going to be the base of the cookie. Did I mention that these cookies are also gluten-free and vegan? All right, this consistency is really just perfect. You want to make sure that it's nice and finely ground so that the cookies will hold together and have a nice crunch. So that looks great. To that, add 1 cup of old-fashioned rolled oats. Gotta love rolled oats. Heart healthy, great way to help reduce your cholesterol, whole grains. To this, add 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and this is half a teaspoon of cornstarch. So stir all of these dry ingredients together. We want to make sure everything is nice and incorporated, and make a little well in the center. So to this, add 1/4 cup of olive oil. Got extra virgin here. 1/4 cup of maple syrup. See, these are all of my favorite parts of granola, but this is going to be formed into a cookie. Half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 3 ounces of dark chocolate. So it's really important here to choose a high quality dark chocolate. Oh, I also chopped this into 1/4-inch pieces. So choose a high quality dark chocolate here and shoot for something that has about 70% cocoa content. And that's what's going to give you all of the really great heart healthy antioxidant activity. Because there's no egg and there's no wheat flour, you have to make sure everything is really nicely incorporated. That's what's going to help give the cookie its structure. All right, this looks great. It's sort of starting to hold together a little bit. Line a rim baking sheet with parchment. This is going to help make sure the cookies don't stick. And I like to use a 1/4 cup measuring cup and just pack the mixture pretty firmly, like so. And tap it out like that. I gotta say, this is one of my favorite treats because yes, there are a lot of healthy treats available that you can buy, but you can't beat an ingredient list like this. Just oats and pecans and dark chocolate. Almost done. So I find just slightly wetting your fingers with a little bit of water before you press these down helps keep them a little less sticky. So these are gonna bake 325. Rotate the tray once to make sure they're cooked nice and evenly for about 20 minutes until they're lightly golden. All right, so cookies are baked and fully cooled. I promise you they're gonna taste a lot better if you let them cool, even though it's hard to resist. Let's give them a try. Really delicious, nice amount of crunch here. You are gonna love this wholesome treat. Want more healthy recipes like this? Don't forget to like and subscribe.